Now students, let's do some MCQs related with basics. What does the function this means? This is a division of integer, okay, because other no remainder is not there, that is a different operator. Square root is also not there, so integer division is the right answer. What is the result of print type 42.0? It's a float number, and I think this class, because type function is there, so its correct answer is class float. Okay. What is the result of following operation? Print float 52 and a half. So as easy, it's 52.5. Okay, B option is right. What function is used to stop the turtle to leave a trail? Stop draw is not, backward is not correct, down is not correct. Stop means up, I think so. Up is absolutely alright. Bit doubtful, but I think no, I will go for up is right. Which of names for the variable is not acceptable? That is very basic question. Teacher 2 is acceptable, underscore 25 is also acceptable, teacher is acceptable. Yeah, we can't put numeric first then alphabet. This is wrong, I think. This is very basic question. Go to the basics of Python chapter number 6, Sumita Arora, you will find the answer. The variable given x is equal to 2 point exponential 6 0 लगेंगी. Okay. Its answer is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6. Its correct answer is this, D option. Okay, top वाला cancel कर दो, ये this is a right answer. What will be the result of checking the following condition? A is equal to 127, wrong. A is equal to 5, B is assigned to 6, B is so this is true, B is not equal to 18, yes, B is 6, so it's true. Or operator hai. If one condition is true, then equation is true. Okay. What is the function of LF? We mostly used if we want to calculate odd number among three numbers. It will know. It is checking another condition. Set up a loop to check the condition. No, not set up a loop, because it's a conditional construct. Applies to combine two condition. No. So its right option is checking another condition, because it will, if first is wrong, then LF we will go like that. Now they have display a loop for I range I to 5, multiply 8 into 1, 8 1 16 32 up to 34, 4 rows. Yes. Correct answer is how many rows of table will be displayed, because it will operate up to 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 5 it will not take. What does a break instruction do if it is triggered in the loop? Break क्या होता है? Control is transferred to the next instruction. Interrupt the cycle. Yes. Skip one cycle repetition. No. Delay cycle run for 1 minute. No. Repeat the cycle one more time. No. It will interrupt. Okay. Because whenever we apply break, we go to the cycle will be interrupted. Okay. How many different option will the following cycle check? For A is equal to 0 2 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 raised to power 0 1 2 raised to power 6 64. 64 is the right answer. Okay, now there is a assignment that is the demand by some students. Sir, what is the result of this? Now game, it's again list define, while we will input, then if we apply the slash game dot append, enter print game, so it will display a list, display list, at the end, uh, when we input different games, and there is a check of break statement. Upper portion we have studied break statement. What will they do? That will interrupt the cycle. Okay, suppose if I want to interrupt the cycle, I will put break statement like that, single columns. So, and game dot append will increase a game every time. Okay, like we have studied append. So that is, I think, it's so we will check all question we have done. If something is wrong, it will display at the end, right? Now we try to submit it. Name I will put XYZ, surname CZX, and mobile number will be, I will put my mobile number. So